Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A Finnish company that had its origin in making galoshes is in the forefront of innovation in tires. Nokian Tyres prides itself in using sustainable materials and in opening a new factory in Tennessee. Marketing Communications Manager Wes Boling.
So the secret sauce for any tire company, and particularly for us, is in the compound. It's in what's in that rubber. So Nokian Tyres was the first company to eliminate harmful oils from those tire ingredients, which means we're one of the most sustainable tire companies in the industry, as ranked by independent panels.
Nokian also makes use of bulletproof aramid fiber or Kevlar to make tires tougher, and their minimized rolling resistance can increase the range of electric vehicles. Find more at nokiantyres.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.